Yeah. Good morning, everybody. So we back at it again. Ain't much change since yesterday, you know. Got a later start today. Supposed to be here at 9. Was supposed to go to the gym this morning. Well, guess I'm going to the gym later. And it is 9:30. 9:30, and this guy's picking his car up at 3. So far, everything's holding up good. We still need to let it sit outside for a little bit. But I need to get to work finishing this shit as soon as possible because definitely don't want him picking the car up and there's any issues. So I need to move my ass. And hopefully the rest of this car goes smooth. What do we need to get done today? So today, definitely need to finish this. We have that Cadillac outside, and that Mini Cooper needs to come in and get started. We only have till 4 o'clock today because I have kickboxing, and I hate missing kickboxing. So the sooner we get this done, the sooner I can get the hell out of here and or go to kickboxing and come back and work on some shit later. All right, we're making progress. So there's the triangular shape I was talking about in the last video. I think it looks pretty cool. Doesn't look bad. All right, time to do mirrors, back trim. Tyler gonna do the other side, skirt on the other side, and we gotta wash, ceramic coat, and done. Yeah, we're finished. Didn't get to finish filming the rest of the process, but whatever. Phone died. Car actually looks really good. Honestly, I really like this front bumper. Here's the key. Fire. Meow. finally we got the Cadillac inside. Oh, thank God. Snip, splice, speaker wire. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Oh yeah, this is the best tool right here in the shop. Circumcision tool. About to go crazy. Y'all don't like your foreskin. You'll see. All right, update number 1. Didn't show any of the finishing part, but basically pull that speaker out, splice it, tap it in. There's a tweeter right here. Same thing. Pull it off, make a bracket, tap it in. Done. Sounds great. Still have to do the rears and these 2 speakers right here in the back. So hopefully not too much longer. Pull door card off, pull handle latch off, pull the 2 plugs off, and then go ahead, snip, tap on the harness, plug it to the speaker, screw it into the door. Done. Door card back on. It's that easy. Now, just gotta go ahead and do the 2 roof speakers in the back. Done. Yeah, so I didn't record fucking shit. Brought the tripod over here to do something. But anyways, kickers are in. Bomb, bomb, done. We're finished, right? Done. I won't let the crippling anxiety set in from this massive mess we got going on right now. It's not even that much of a mess. This whole place is a mess, but whatever. Cadillac's done. Car just needs some bass. Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah. Nice and clear. Brand new kickers. Ready to go. Tell that boy his car done. Go check on the Miata. Alright, I had to bring it back in real quick so I could go ahead and redo this mirror because out in the sun it started to shrink too much. I didn't like it. Looks much better. Just chilling. Post-heated the hell out of it. Car looks great. Client said he's on his way now to come pick it up. I will let you know how that goes. I think the car looks pretty damn good. I'd be very happy with this car. It was mine. Only thing I plan on doing right now. Oh yeah, we also finished the Cadillac. Whatever. It's parked somewhere over there. He'll be picking that up today. Miata will be picked up today. This, we got sent the wrong bumper and the wrong fender. VIN number on this car, I guess, isn't accurate. Who knows? Whatever. Gotta order it again. So that needs to get pushed back outside, and the Mini Cooper needs to come inside. But for right now, the only thing I'm focusing on doing is cleaning up, delivering these cars, and the Mini Cooper can get worked on tomorrow because I want to go to kickboxing. Time for some lunch. Starving. You know your boy had to come prepare with his lunch. Always. Got me my Gert. Got me a tangerine and apple. Y'all don't even know about these. We got like 8 ounces of ground turkey and some brown rice and vegetables. And the boy, don't play with me. Yeah, so all finished for the day. I got the Subi inside so she can spend the night inside. As you can see, there's still no Mini Cooper in here. That car is sitting outside until tomorrow. So for now, this is what we're staring at. But I'm not doing anything else for the day. Miata got picked up. Dude was super happy. Cadillac guy picked up his car. He was happy, but like we told him, he was going to be lacking bass because a speaker upgrade isn't necessarily going to give you that extra noise you want from a subwoofer. So he'll be coming back. He's getting a subwoofer install now. So we'll see whenever he decides to come back. But great day and peace out. Actually, no, peace out. We got kickboxing. We out.